Welcome to Powerboat1.com. Today what I want to show you is how to put on this rubber transom gasket onto a Berkeley transom housing. So what I found is the quickest and easiest way. What you want to make sure of is on the gasket there's actually two different radiuses. There's a tight radius and there's a little wider radius. The tight radius goes to the top. So you just set that on. Kind of make sure everything's going to line up for you okay. Then you would take the gasket and just flip it over to one side so you know when you flip it back, it'll line back up. Then I use some high tack that we'll take and we'll put around this area so that'll actually allow the gasket to be held in place. That way when you're going to put it up, it's not going to be falling off, you're not fighting it. When you're tightening the screws, it's not squeezing out. If you want, after it's all installed, to put a little bit of silicone around that back side to go up to the back of the boat, you certainly can. It would help to create a little better seal. Now we'll take and just put a little bit of the high tack around here. You don't have to be real pretty with it. You're just trying to get it on there so that it'll hold that gasket in place. There's a bunch of different kinds of this gasket cement that's out there. And so really any of it will work for you. You just want it to be able to be one that's pretty tacky so that it'll hold that gasket in place. Okay, we got that on there pretty good. You can put a little bit on the gasket as well. Okay, we got that all on there now. Now we'll just kind of let that tack up a little bit. It's like it's already getting tacky. Let's go ahead and slide our gasket up there. This is the hardest part of the whole gig, is getting this lined back up. What you do is take and line the holes up, slide it in place, and then press down. Ensure everything's still in line. This is something you can kind of pre-do when you're working on the boat. You can set this up, then you can come back hour, 2 hours later, whatever, and it's all ready to go when you're getting ready to do the final installation. That's all it takes. That right there. Thanks for watching Powerboat1.com.